In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically turn your creative idea into a full Instagram reel using AI and post it instantly without touching a video editor using n8n, GPT-5, Vo3, and Postiz. Here's the game plan. We'll set up a simple end-to-end workflow in n8n that listens for your idea, transforms it into a cinematic prompt, generates a short video, writes a caption, and posts it to Instagram on your behalf. You provide the spark. The automation handles the busy work. We start with a chat-based trigger called When Chat Message Received. Think of it as the start button. The moment you send a short description of your idea, like sunset beach vibes or cozy coffee morning, this node wakes up the rest of the workflow. Picture a messenger bubble lighting up and saying, "Go!" Next, we hand that message to the GPT-5 AI video prompt agent. Raw ideas are great, but Vo3 needs a rich, visual brief. This agent expands your phrase into a cinematic description with mood, lighting, motion, and setting. For a beach theme, it might produce something like a golden horizon, gentle waves, swaying palms, and soft cinematic light. Basically a storyboard ready for a video model. Then comes the Vo3 Video Generator. This node passes the prompt to Vo3 via wave speed and kicks off video creation. Imagine a tiny AI film crew spinning up shots, angles, and color in seconds. Because rendering takes a moment, we add a short pause with a 30-second wait. It's like letting dough rise before baking. Give the model a beat to work. After that, the Vo3 GET node checks on the status. Sometimes the video's ready right away, other times it needs another minute. This node fetches the current state and any available output. To keep things clean, an if node acts like a traffic light. If the video is still processing, it loops back to another short wait. If it's ready, we move forward to content polish. Now we bring in the GPT-5 Caption agent to write a scroll-stopping line for Instagram. It crafts playful, on-brand copy from the same prompt, so your caption matches the visuals, like a punchy beach escape line with the right vibe and hashtags. With the creative done, the download video node saves the final file. Then, upload to Postiz hands that file to your posting platform, packaging it for delivery. Finally, Postiz Post to Socials, IG, pairs the video with the AI-written caption and publishes it directly to your Instagram account. No manual uploads, no editor, no copy-paste. So here's the magic in one sentence. You send an idea, GPT-5 crafts a cinematic prompt, Vo3 generates a reel, GPT-5 writes a caption, and Postiz posts it. You'll save hours, keep content quality consistent, and scale output for reels, TikTok-style shorts, and more. It's perfect for social media managers, brands leveling up production, and creators experimenting with AI visuals. With this n8n workflow, your ideas go from concept to Instagram reel, fully automated,